This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Excel result sheet easy method. Begin by opening Excel, creating headers, and saving a blank workbook. Next, enter student names and ID in the first two columns, then input raw marks for each subject. Use SUM to calculate totals and divide by maximum marks to get percentages. Apply conditional formatting to highlight top performers and failing scores, and save a backup copy to prevent data loss. In this video, I will explain how to make Excel result sheet easy method. Enter SUM formulas to total marks across subjects, then calculate percentage with a simple divide and multiply formula. Use IF and nested IF to assign letter grades based on percentage cutoffs like 90, 75, and 50. Lock cell references with $ for consistent copying, and drag formulas down to fill every student row automatically for fast and accurate results in minutes. In this video, I will review how to make Excel result sheet easy method. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup effortless with voice control, so you can focus on formulas, not dust. It navigates rooms smartly and handles daily debris while you finalize totals or print sheets. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make Excel result sheet easy method. Format percentage cells to 1 decimal to improve readability, and use conditional formatting to highlight top performers and low scorers. Freeze the header row so names and ID stay visible when you scroll through many students. Adjust column widths and wrap text to keep sheets tidy, and use table styles for consistent look and easier sorting or filtering when reviewing results with colleagues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.